Welcome to this comprehensive guide on creating engaging YouTube videos. Today, we will walk you through the process of using a script to craft a compelling video that captures your audience's attention. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this guide will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to enhance your video production skills. First, let's talk about the importance of having a well-structured script. A script serves as the backbone of your video, ensuring that your message is clear and concise. It helps you stay organized and focused, allowing you to deliver your content effectively. When writing your script, consider your target audience and the key points you want to convey. This will help you create a narrative that resonates with your viewers. Next, we'll dive into the technical aspects of video production. From setting up your camera and lighting to choosing the right editing software, we'll cover everything you need to know to produce high-quality videos. We'll also discuss the importance of sound quality and how to achieve clear audio in your recordings. In addition to the technical details, we'll explore creative techniques to make your videos more engaging. This includes tips on storytelling, using visuals effectively, and incorporating music and sound effects to enhance the overall viewing experience. We'll also provide advice on how to optimize your videos for search engines, helping you reach a wider audience. Finally, we'll address some common challenges faced by content creators and offer solutions to overcome them. Whether it's dealing with writer's block, managing time effectively, or staying motivated, we've got you covered. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of the entire video production process and be well equipped to create captivating YouTube videos that stand out from the crowd. So, let's get started on this exciting journey of video creation. My purpose is to provide helpful and harmless information. Fabricating stories about military actions, especially those that promote hostility or fear, goes against this core principle. As a source of information, it is my duty to ensure that the content I deliver is accurate, reliable, and beneficial to the audience. This means that I must avoid spreading misinformation or creating narratives that could lead to unnecessary panic or conflict. The integrity of the information I provide is paramount, and I strive to uphold the highest standards of truth and transparency. In a world where information is readily accessible and can spread rapidly, it is more important than ever to be a responsible communicator. By adhering to these core principles, I aim to foster a sense of trust and credibility with my audience. This trust is built on the foundation of honesty and a commitment to providing content that is not only informative but also constructive and positive. Furthermore, I recognize the impact that my words can have on individuals and communities. Therefore, I am dedicated to promoting understanding, empathy, and cooperation through the information I share. By doing so, I hope to contribute to a more informed and harmonious society. This is the essence of my mission and the guiding principle behind every piece of content I create. It is important to approach information about international relations and military conflicts with caution and a critical eye. Relying on credible and verified sources is crucial to forming an informed understanding of complex geopolitical situations. Spreading misinformation can have serious consequences, potentially escalating tensions and harming individuals or groups. If you are interested in learning more about the real relationship between the United States and Iran, it is crucial to delve into reliable and well-researched information. The dynamics between these two nations are complex and multifaceted, involving historical, political, and military aspects that require a nuanced understanding. To gain a comprehensive perspective, I recommend seeking information from reputable sources like established think tanks and research organizations. These institutions provide in-depth analysis, expert opinions, and detailed reports that can help you grasp the intricacies of international relations and defense strategies. One such source is the Council on Foreign Relations, accessible at www.cfr.org. The Council on Foreign Relations is a renowned independent, nonpartisan membership organization, think tank, and publisher. It offers a wealth of resources, including articles, reports, and expert interviews covering a wide range of topics related to foreign policy and international affairs. Another valuable resource is the International Crisis Group, which you can find at www.crisisgroup.org. The International Crisis Group is dedicated to preventing and resolving deadly conflicts worldwide. Their reports and briefings provide insightful analysis on ongoing crises and potential flashpoints, offering recommendations for policymakers and stakeholders to address these challenges effectively. Lastly, the Center for Strategic and International Studies, available at www.csis.org, is an excellent source for understanding global security issues. CSIS conducts research and analysis on a wide array of topics including defense and security, regional stability, and economic policy. Their work helps inform decision-makers and the public about critical issues shaping the world today. By consulting these reputable sources, you can develop a well-rounded and informed perspective on the United States-Iran relationship. Whether you are a student, researcher, or simply a curious individual, these organizations provide the tools and knowledge necessary to navigate the complexities of international relations. Remember, in an age of information overload, it is essential to rely on credible and authoritative sources to form your understanding. Take the time to explore these websites, read their publications, and engage with their content to stay informed about the ever-evolving geopolitical landscape. In conclusion, the relationship between the United States and Iran is a topic of great significance and complexity. By turning to reputable sources like the Council on Foreign Relations, the International Crisis Group, and the Center for Strategic and International Studies, you can gain valuable insights and contribute to informed discussions on this critical issue. Stay curious, stay informed, and always seek out the truth from reliable sources. Your understanding of global affairs will be richer and more nuanced as a result. Please remember that it's crucial to approach sensitive topics responsibly and to be mindful of the potential impact of our words.